everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT Prep channel Quantifiers. So in the question of the day, which we did in the form of quiz 2, we are going to discuss a very good question on geometry. Okay, so what is the question? This is the question. Okay. So the question says that AF bisects angle EAD. There was a figure given. What was the figure? The figure was A, B, C and D. Further, it was given that E is some point over here and F is some point over here. So this was the figure given to you in the question only. So if you are watching this video for the first time, then please consider that this figure is already given to you in the question and try the question, right? What is given to me? It is given to me that FD is equal to 64. This part is 64. BE is equal to 36. And I have to find the length of this AE. AE की length निकालनी है मुझे, right? So how can we proceed? So there are two ways. Okay, there are two methods of doing this question. The first method is the normal method that comes to everyone's mind and we use that quite often. Okay? And the second method, a little unconventional one, but you can do this question within seconds using that method. So please be patient and watch both the methods. Okay? Now, since it is a square and AF is an angle bisector. So first of all, if this is theta, this is also theta. This is what? This is 90. So this is what? This is 90 minus theta, right? Okay, if this is theta, this is theta. What is this? Can I say this will be 90 minus 2 theta, right? This will be 90 minus 2 theta. This will be 90. If this is 90, this is 90 minus 2 theta. This will be 180 minus 90. 90 minus this. This will be 2 theta only. This angle is 2 theta. Now, so I have to find the length of AE. So this is a right angle triangle. This is also a right angle triangle. Since it is a square, let's say this side is X. This side is also X. Now these are not directly similar triangles. Similar to है, तो similarity तो लगेगी नहीं यहाँ पे. What we can use is, if my triangles are, if my triangle is a right angle triangle, I can apply some trigonometric ratios. ठीक है? I have to associate my perpendicular with my base. मुझे perpendicular को base के साथ जोड़ना है. अब अगर मैं सोचूं मेरी कौन सी identity perpendicular को base के साथ जोड़ती है? Tan theta, because tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. ये होता है मेरे पास, right? First of all, I will apply tan theta in this angle in triangle FAD. In triangle FAD, can I say what will be the value of tan theta? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 64 upon base is X. Right? This is the first value. Now, let us apply tan theta here. If I will apply tan theta here, 90 is here, it is tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to X upon 36. Right. So these are the two things given to me. Now this is tan theta, this is tan 2 theta. I cannot directly use it. But what is tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta is nothing but 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is the basic our identity, right? And all this is equivalent to X upon 36. If I substitute the value of tan theta here, 64 by X. So 2 into 64 upon X upon 1 minus 64 upon X ka whole square is equal to X upon 36. Can I cancel this X somehow? If there is an X here, this X can be cancelled. Okay, so what do I need to do? I need to multiply it by X square. So if I multiply this if I multiply and divide this numerator and denominator by X square, what I'll get? I'll get X square into 2 into 64 upon X square into 1 minus 64 upon X ka whole square. And all this is equivalent to X upon. So what I am getting from here? I am getting 2 into 64 into X upon X square minus 64 square is equal to X upon 36. So X and X cancelled out. X and X cancelled out, right? Now x and x cancelled out, the value of x square comes out to be 2 into 64 into 36 plus x square. So this is plus 64 square. This is the value of x square. Now x square की value मेरे पास आ चुकी है. I need to find this. Now this is a right angle triangle. How can I find this? Simply if I apply Pythagoras, AB square plus BE square is equal to AE square. This is the simple method. I need to find AE square. So what will be the value of this AE square now? If you simply apply it over here, okay, what is the value of x square? So it is nothing but 36 square plus 2 into 64 into 36 into plus 64 square is equal to AE square. Now if you observe this, what is visible to you? A square, B square, 2AB. So it is nothing but AE square is equal to 64 plus 36, 100 square, or AE is equal to 100. This is the direct result I can get, right? A pretty straightforward one. Now, let's try to use the other method. Okay, I use the other method. No, answer is 100. Answer is 100, that I know. So what is the other method? The other method we also call it the rotation method. What is the rotation method? So please watch it very carefully. It's simply observation and nothing else. If I see it, look at that part. 90 and 2 theta are common. So 90 and 90 minus 2 theta, this is again 90. The sides are equal. This side is equal to this side. Now what I am going to do, I am simply going to shift or rotate this triangle and bring it here. Okay. How? This AB is rotated and matched with AD. ठीक है, बस इस पार्ट को ध्यान दो एक बार, that this is your AB now. ठीक है, so this B is shifted to this point. Let's call this B dash. This DE will further go into this way. So this triangle is automatically it will be made like this, right? So this E point has reached this point. So if this is 90, see this was 90, this was automatically 90. Okay, this angle was 2 theta. Now this angle will be 2 theta. Okay. Now this will be 2 theta, 90 2 theta, this will be 90 minus 2 theta. I can rotate that. This x is simply x. So I have just matched my side. I haven't done anything else. Okay, I can shift it. Because the sides equal थी, मैंने sides को match कर दिया, nothing else. Right? So if I calculate this combined angle, 90 minus 2 theta and theta. If I just find this combined angle, my answer would be, my complete angle would be, can I say 90 minus theta? Yes, it will be 90 minus theta, right? Now, this angle is also 90 minus theta. This angle is also 90 minus theta. Now, it has become an isosceles triangle when where two angles are 90 minus theta each, okay, and one angle is 2 theta, right? A very fair diagram. Okay, so this is now when it is an isosceles triangle and angles opposite equal sides are equal. So this side AE, right? This side AE will be equal to this side FE. So if this is AE and then this is FE, the FE is nothing but, if this was 36, 36 is shifted over here. 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. So this is 100. This is again 100 and nothing else. So with this, I can complete my question of the day. I hope you guys like this unconventional technique. And so this is it. And I hope you guys please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.